What's up guys, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Vac Studio here. So in this tutorial I will be showing you how I made this design. You saw this particular design in my previous video, and I told you I'm going to show you how I did or how I added this texture to the design, and then I added this something like all this glow here. We call it color grading. So I'll be showing you all of this, so you see what I did here with Photoshop. See the original design here. So this one was made with COREL. So I went to Photoshop and I added a little texture to the design, and then this color grading here. So right now what we are going to do is we'll just head up to Photoshop right now while I show you how to do this. Right, so my Photoshop is already open, so I'll head up to the folder where the design is. I'll just drag the design to Photoshop. I'll just drag the design here. So we now have the design here. Alright, so we're waiting for it to load. Alright, we now have something like this. So first thing what you are going to do here is, you see on your layer panel, what you do, you can see this as this particular design as a background. So first thing what you do is you go where you see this padlock key, just right click on that too, and then you do layer from background. Don't do convert to smart object, just do layer from background. So it will pop out something like this. You can give a particular name to your layer, but I just want to leave mine as layer 0. So I hit on OK. We now have something like this. And then the next thing we are going to do here will be, I'll be adding the texture. So there are two ways to do this particular part of the design by adding texture. It's either you download a texture from either Chrome, Pinterest, or all those stuff. Then you do, once you download the file, you can come here, this your layer panel, where you see this normal. You can change the normal to either soft or hard light. That is for if you should go for the downloading part, but we are using a raw file to do something like this. So what we are going to do is we'll go to filter here, and then you locate, you can see noise. So that you go through this particular part, or you can come back to this, click on the layer, go to your FX, and then you go to your blending options. So there are different ways to do this. If you go to your blending options, under this blending option you can see texture here. You can choose which texture to use, and I can click on texture. You can see there is a particular texture here. So I think I have this texture. I will increase the scale to, I think, 128. Yeah, 128 to be okay for me. And then the depth should be around 90 or 80, something like that. Okay, let's leave it at 83. So I can do something like this and I'll be okay with that. So but for the sake of this video, we are not going to be working with the FS here. So what you do is, let me cancel, go back to your filter, you go to your where you see noise, click on where you see noise, and then you click on add noise. Okay, once you click on add noise, know that you should click the uniform noise, and then your monochromatic should be tick also. And then I think the amount I should give this should be, I'll use 19. I'm okay with 19. So 19 is okay for me. So you can see the difference between our previous design and what we are having now. We have a little texture on this. Right, so the next thing we are going to do here will be the part where we'll be adding a color grading to this particular design. So quickly go to your shape to, you pick up your ellipse tool, then you draw a perfect circle. Yeah, draw a perfect circle like this, and then you fill that with a white color, since we'll be using a white color to grade this particular design. So fill that with a white color, and then once you have done filling that, you see under the object property, come to this particular side, you are seeing something like a camera sign here. Just click on that, and then you can see the density is around 100%, and then the feather is 0 pixels. So we are going to just increase the feather, until you are satisfied with what you're having. I think mine is around 608 now. I think I'll be okay with this 7. Yes, 7 will be okay for me. So I think I have something like this. Alright, I think I left it at 7, and then the 7, my ellipse to, okay, we'll do that again. Alright, I'll pick on this. So under the feather, I think I should just leave it to around 200. Yes, 200 will be just okay for me. 216 actually. So I think I'll leave it this way. So you can see what you are having now. So I'll just shift it down here, and then we are done with that part. So what we are going to just do now is just to copy what we have done here to the other part you want to just grade. So since you graded the first rectangle, you know that the other part must be balanced. So I just hold on my Alt, and then while I copy this to this other side of the rectangle here, so you can now see what you are having now. So I can choose to either copy it down or take it up a little to grade the elegance. So I will just hold on Alt, let me just grade the upper part of the elegance. Okay, I think I'm okay with this. Okay, it's covering the logo. I'll just reduce that a little. Alright, I think the smaller size will be okay. So I'll just bring it down here. Alright, then I mark it. So you can now see how the design is now looking with our texture and then the color grading. So if this video interests you, don't forget to leave a like on this video, and if you want me to drop another video concerning you downloading the noise texture from Google or Pinterest on how you can do that, you can leave a comment down below while I wait for your response. Thanks for watching.